we will start with lesson 2. Simon says. Here in this chapter, look at these pictures, discuss what these animals are doing. How else do animals help us? Here some pictures are given, each animal helping people in some other way. In this story also, we read about a guide dog named Simon. This dog helped his owner. I begin to get the feeling that Christmas is around the corner when Ma starts making sweets and the smell of burnt sugar and baking fills the house. The countdown begins, and every day there is some new activity going on, like the Christmas tree lights being checked out, the wiring of the star to be fixed, or the last minute chopping of the dry fruits to be done. Then, before we know what is happening, we start our round of carol. Carol is a song sung at Christmas. Singing, meeting old friends and making new ones over the entire month is fun. In this paragraph, there is preparation going on for the Christmas. She feels at every corner there is a celebration of Christmas. Ma start preparing. Ma is Neha's mother. She start making sweets and baking cakes. And every day there is some new activity going on for the preparation of the Christmas. Now whole month, the entire month they having fun. Now in the next page, this year, however, was different. Early in the morning on the 1st of December, my mother woke me up with the awful news. I have to go to the hospital, Rita, she said worriedly. Now what happened here? This year there was something different. The 1st of December, her mother woke her up with a sad news. Awful news is a sad news. That she used to go to the hospital. Why? I asked. Grandpa has had a terrible accident. What is the sad news? Grandpa has had a terrible accident. Grandpa is my favorite person in the world. After my friend Latika, I can tell him anything, even grumble. When I think Ma is being unfair without any reason. Matlab, when she complains, she always complains about her mother to the grandpa. She shares each and everything with the grandpa. He always listens and gives me full attention, like I am an adult. Grandpa pay attention to her wording, to Neha's wording, when she shares everything with the grandpa. Simon does too, but that is different. When Grandpa began to lose his eyesight some years ago, he got himself a guide dog, a trained German Shepherd, and called him Simon. Here, when the grandpa began to lose eyesight, when people become old, they started losing their eyesight at some age. So here grandpa got himself a guided dog, a trained German Shepherd, and called him Simon. His name is Simon. German Shepherd is bride of a dog. because I have to do what Simon says. He told me when I asked him why he chose Simon. Then he told me about a game he used to play when he was boy called Simon Says. Because of Simon, Grandpa could continue to live on his own. He could go for walks and even do some shopping now and then when he wanted to surprise us with gifts. Now, here, Grandpa, with the help of Simon, can live his life without any problem, as he don't have eyesight. He takes help of Simon. Simon led Grandpa straight into the path of a car, and he was badly injured. My mother said that evening he was awake when I went, but he just kept calling out Simon's name. Simon misled Grandpa to the path of car. There is 2 lanes on the road. One is service lane, that is walking part, and one is a vehicle path where vehicles are passing. So Simon misled Grandpa direct into the path of car, and as a result he was badly injured. Now on the next page, Ma had brought Simon back to our place. Simon come back to home, but he just moped around the house barely. What is the meaning of mope? Move around unhappily. When you are unhappy, you just move here and there when you are in tension. So in the same way, Simon also walking here and there in the house barely. Eating or drinking. Barely eating or drinking means Simon not eating anything or drinking. It was as if he knew he was responsible for Grandpa's condition. That night, Simon didn't sleep at all, and after that, he just got worse. I took him out for walks, talked to him, and told him we are praying for Grandpa's recovery. It was couple of days later when I returned home from school. When Neha returns from school, that I made the discovery. Discovery is something that is found, something found new. Simon was sitting on the porch. What do you mean by porch? A covered entrance. In the front of Mesh. Mesh is a screen made of wire.